Hey G Squad, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's me. You're not seeing things. Your girl is back. So listen, I have a video for y'all today, but I just didn't want to upload it without at least coming on and just saying, hey, how you doing? I know I've been missing in action for a little while. Yeah, part of it is that I needed a break, and then also been working on a couple of other projects off camera. You know, life has just been lifing, and I did not intend on staying away this long, so please, my humble apologies. But anyway, I hope you're doing well. I hope your family is doing well. Happy New Year. Comment below if you have any New Year resolutions, or if you're just kind of like picking up, from where you left off in 2024. But at the end of the day, I hope and pray that everyone is doing well, and I am so happy to be back. So, today I'm going to be showing you how I made this. It's a spaghetti meatloaf, so it's basically a meatloaf stuffed with spaghetti. I hope y'all enjoy, and again, I'm so happy to be back, and yeah, love you guys, and I will be definitely uploading regularly. Okay, so with that being said, let me get out of the way and get to what you came here for. Okay, bye. Alright, family, so everything here on the counter will be listed in the description box. So I'm just going to briefly go over it. I have some ground chicken here. In this dish right here, I have some breadcrumbs, minced garlic. I have some ketchup. Then I have some Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to use 1 egg. I have some grated Parmesan cheese there. In this dish, I have a small diced onion. Over here, I have some shredded mozzarella cheese. Then I'm going to use this roasted garlic herb spaghetti sauce. And then my seasonings, I have complete seasoning, black pepper, and salt and pepper. And then over here in this pot, I've already cooked my spaghetti. I'm using the thin spaghetti. Alright, so I have my pasta already done, so I'm going to now go in and add my spaghetti sauce. And so you can add whatever type of spaghetti sauce that you like. And so I'm basically now just going in and just blending this really well. Alright, so to this I'm going to add everything except for the mozzarella cheese. So I'm going to use 1 egg. Now this is a pound of ground chicken, and you can use beef, ground turkey, whatever your preference is. Okay, so now that that's nice and combined, we're going to transfer this over to my parchment paper, and which I've already have that. Okay, so now we're going to start adding the spaghetti on top of our meatloaf. And you want to make sure you don't put it all the way to the edge, because you're going to need this. Once you roll it, you're going to need to fold it to lock in your filling. So now I'm going to also add some of this mozzarella cheese. And I also have my oven is preheated to 375 degrees. You can press that cheese in there like so. Alright. So now we're going to begin to roll this. So using the parchment paper, you're going to lift. Okay, and this is going to be your guide that's going to help you roll it. Okay? You're going to pull. And you're going to roll. Okay. Okay, you're going to seal your sides. Just bring that in together. Okay, so you're just going to seal it. Just keep manipulating your meat. Okay, so that's how that looks. Alright, so now we're going to take some aluminum foil. I have to use. Okay, and I'm going to actually flip this over on the seam side. There we go. Now transfer that to my baking dish. And I'm going to add, since my foil is not long enough, I'm going to probably add another foil to really close it up. But this is how it will look. Okay, so now I'm going to add some more sauce on top. Okay. Now I'm going to seal this. Yeah, actually I didn't need another piece of foil, so perfect. And push that in. So now I'm going to pop this in the oven and let this bake covered for about 25 minutes, and then we'll pop it in and remove it and then continue on. Alright family, so I just removed this from the oven. I let it actually bake for 45 minutes. And so we open it up. This is how it's looking. So now I'm going to add some cheese to this, and I'm going to put it back in the oven with it unwrapped and let it bake for like another 15 minutes. Let me get some more cheese, fam. Alright, so as I said, I'm going to pop this back in and then pull it out in about another 15 minutes. Alright, G Squad, so I removed the meatloaf from the oven and I just transferred it into this dish just to make it a little, you know, look aesthetically appealing to the eyes. But anyway, I'm going to allow this to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and then come back on and we're going to cut right into it. But that's our spaghetti meatloaf. So I'll see you back shortly. Alright family, so I'm back. I had the opportunity to cool down some, so now we're just going to slice into it. Yeah. Grab some of that up right there. Okay. That's how it looks inside. See all your spaghetti. fork. And that's how it looks. Mmm. Hot, hot, hot. Family. Oh my goodness, this tastes so good. So good. Mmm. Woo! Delicious. Loaded with flavor. The meat is nice and tender, seasoned to perfection. What else can I say? And you can pair this, have it with a nice little cucumber salad or a green salad, or just eat it like this, just, you know, the way that I'm doing. But it's truly, truly, truly amazing. So family, that's going to be it. I'm going to enjoy this off camera. So thank you again for stopping in and seeing what your girl is cooking up in the kitchen today. And it's been a pleasure, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.